Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to keep all my subscription private on YouTube channel. So guys, if you want to keep all my subscription private on YouTube channel, so very easy. Firstly, open any YouTube channel, open YouTube. After, click on settings and click on privacy. And third option, keep all my subscription private. So guys, if you want to enable, so slash to on position. There is. So guys, this is very simple and easy and quickly method if you want to keep all my subscriptions private on YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.